MTD CNC are in Basildon today. We're at WCM. Now we've come here to look at the Hurco machines that they have installed. They have been a Hurco user for many years, but it's not just an ordinary Hurco user. Stefan, 22 new Hurco machines. What on earth do you do here at WCM to warrant the purchase of such a quantity of machine tools?
Yeah, it's a big volume of machines. We took them on over a progressive period, over a year, kind of leading to what you can see here today. So 22 machines, 3 and 5 axis, all with Hurco, and we use them across all of our customers.
So what do you make? What will you be making on these machines?
So any interior exterior parts, so anything visible, pretty much decorative pieces we tend to do, things with...
and this is all in the car, automotive?
Yeah, all vehicle related, all automotive related.
How did you go about selecting the style of machines you've got, and was that an influencer in your decision, because Hurco do offer a very vast range of products, don't they?
Yeah, so when we took on some of the new projects we've looked at in the last kind of 6 to 12 months leading to the machines we've got, all the decisions on the machines were based on the projects we had in mind. So Hurco have been really supportive in looking at analysing the actual work we're bringing in with our CNC team and then deciding, okay, this is machine best suited for that project and that application.
Our working relationship with Hurco is second to none at the minute. Obviously, investing this much money, you wouldn't expect anything else. Hurco are on site whenever we need them. We do get little problems, little niggles, but we find that the Hurco machines have less of those than other machines that we've used in the past.
So I look after a little bit of project analysis, so as the parts come in I decide what machines they go on, time it will take to do them, fixturing, I do the programming and the proving out as well.
I know you watch our channel and you picked out a couple of points about the Hurco machines that we've not mentioned on our channel before that might be of interest to our viewers. Excite them with those features.
Okay, so just 2 to name. There's an interrupt feature whereupon whilst you're working, mid-program you can hit an interrupt button, the head will move away, spindle stops, you can jog the bed forward and get in the machine to measure a bore, inspect it, clear swarf, change a tool, things like that. And it's very simple. By pressing auto and cycle start, brings the machine back to its position and it carries on cutting from that precise position in the program.
Okay, that's one, that's interesting. And then there was another one on the tool change.
Yeah, so we use, even though you've got a 40 tool change, 20 tool carousel, whatever it is, you can use up to 9,999 program tools, which basically means we denote all the 1,000 tools for roughing end mills. So 1060 is a 6mm rougher, 2,000 is finishing end mills, so 2060 is a 6mm finisher, ball noses at 3,000, and the same principle applies for drills and taps.
When you're spending millions of pounds with a supplier like that, you must have a lot of confidence in putting the business their way. Have you got a history with Hurco?
Yeah, over progressive years. So we tend to have quite an established relationship with a lot of our partners in manufacturing. So whether it's injection molding or CNC, Hurco have been a partner for many years with us. And this just was a natural fit to progress into an investment with more CNCs with them.
Hurco must be some supplier as well to have this amount of machines ready to be delivered as quickly as they did. All happened pretty smoothly?
Yeah, really smoothly, from initial kind of kick-off of ordering machines to their on-site service of laying out the machines and where they're going to go, what power we need, what airline we need. All that support was really key to us to getting these turned on as quick as we could.